Here we go. It's a Friday night. I know that we're all around people we're trying to impress and be cool with and all that, and I get it. But you know, if you're too cool to be a fool, you don't have any fun. So let's let her hear that. Y'all ready? Y'all, can you sing with me? Are you gonna help me? Here we go. Here we go. Say 1, 2, 3. I've been living in a festival. There we go. Hillbilly rock star. Yeah, and I need to rewind real slow. I need to rewind real slow. I need to rewind real slow.
I write a song, I have to start with a picture in my head. And it might take me a minute to find out what that picture looks like, where it is, but and then I start writing what I see. You know? And I see Ole Miss and North Mississippi 3 out of 4 times.
We were football flunkies, southern rock junkies, cranking up the stereos, singing loud and proud to give me 3 steps of a man and Curtis Lowe. We were good, you know. Got a discount knowledge at the junior college where I majored in beer and girls. And it was all real funny till we ran out of money and they threw us out into the world. The kids are slow, we run this town, ain't running much of anything. We're just loving and laughing and busting our backs, and we call it all living the dream. These are my people, this is where I come from. We're giving this life everything we got, and then some. It ain't always pretty, but it's real. That's the way we were made, wouldn't have it any other way. These are my people. Well, we take it all week on the chin with the grand two and make it to a Friday night. There's church.